Calamari. I don't even know how to say it. Calamari for the first time.
Okay, Heather Pinkler, whatever her name is. From American Idol.
No. What'd
They
she
did
do?
an interview, and she didn't know what calamari was.
Oh. I don't even really want to do this.
It's all in your head. I'm probably gonna love it.
Look. Look. Where's rubbery?
It's chewy.
Yeah, it's crunchy.
That's alright. I almost tried veal.
It's good. Why are my cheeks so fat?
Camera adds 10 pounds.
They put it all on my cheek right there. Thank you. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Look at that.
Looks like a spider.
It's like a spider. I'm not. No, we're not eating that calamari. We'll eat some. You want to try one? Y'all, it looks like a little. I'm gonna eat a spider. The sauce is good. Okay, alright. Oh my god, I gotta do this. With the Gucci hat on. I'm trying to be proper about it. I shouldn't be eating calamari with my fingers. Don't look.
That's not that bad, is it?
I don't know. I can feel his leg. I can feel his legs in my mouth. Okay. I'll quit being dramatic. Hold on. Let me try another piece. Hold on.
It must be good.
I think it's the sauce that's good. Let me try it with something else. Let's try another piece that don't have any legs on it. We'll try a piece that don't have legs on it. No. No, we're not eating.